Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Adnan Shah. I am in class 7 Green. Today my topic is basic information about maths. So what is maths? What is the definition of maths? Its definition is the combination of numbers, operation and patterns is known as maths. The meaning of mathematics is learning or knowledge and it is derived from Greek word mathema. Mathematics is shortly abbreviated as maths. Maths stand for mental ability to handle situation. Maths is the mother of science. The father of maths is Archimedes. Maths is divided into three branches. Named arithmetic, algebra and geometry. Its first branch is arithmetic. So the meaning of arithmetic is number. Its definition is the combination of numbers and operation. It is the oldest branch of maths and the father of arithmetic is Alkindi. And the second branch of maths is algebra. Algebra means reunion of broken parts and the definition of algebra is the combination of numbers, operation and variable means alphabet. The father of algebra is Muhammad bin Musa al-Khwarizmi. Its third branch is geometry. Geo means earth while metry means measurement. So the definition of geometry is the measurement of different shapes. The father of geometry is Euclid. So my second topic is types of numbers. There are so many types of numbers, but first of all, I want to tell you that how number has developed, how number has found. Number has developed on the basis of angles, because one has only one angle, two has two angles. So its first types of numbers. The first type is natural number. Natural numbers are those numbers which start from